Today is a very special episode of Matchmaker Monday. Stay tuned to find out why.
It's Matchmaker Monday. Let's find your perfect match so you can sow yours.
What makes this episode so special is that this is a collection I'm sharing with you today that I've been working on since January. I have been getting samples sent to me to get the colors, the scale, the texture, and the design just right for you guys. What I'll be featuring today is 8 colorways in our brand new Handmade Heartbeat vinyl collection, in addition to 8 colorways in our Handmade Heartbeat LinerTex collection. So we'll walk through those combinations. We'll pull in some faux leathers and faux suedes that coordinate with the vinyls. I'll show you what thread and zipper tape and hardware finishes that I recommend as well. If you haven't already caught it, just take a look at the beautiful bags made behind me by some talented bag makers and myself. We sewed these up to show you what these vinyls look like on real handmade bags. And we've also featured those in a separate video where I introduced all of these vinyls. I'll put a link to that video in the description box below. You'll be able to see the textures much closer and all of the colorways that we have to offer, in addition to the inspiration behind this design. So make sure you check out that video. But today's video is going to be all about the matchmakers. This collection is the biggest investment I've ever made in my business because I'm so confident that you guys are going to love this design. And I wanted to be sure that everyone got a chance to purchase the vinyls and the LinerTex without it being sold out, unlike some of our other recent new product launches. So while I do hope that we have enough for everybody, I can't guarantee it. So if you see something in today's video that you love, make sure that you add it to your shopping cart today. I am happy to report that I have also added fabric bundles to make shopping even easier for you. These bundles include some of my favorite combinations of the Handmade Heartbeat vinyls, LinerTex, and coordinating solids. Now don't forget to watch the introductory video where we take a closer look at all of the beautiful handmade bags behind me, in addition to the textures and all the colorways that are featured in the Handmade Heartbeat collection. I'll put a link in the description box below. We've got a lot to cover today, so I'm going to go rather quickly through all of these materials. Grab a paper and pen so you can jot down the names. Feel free to pause and rewind if you didn't catch that name. So we're going to start off with our neutrals, and here we have our Handmade Heartbeat in the color black. I used that on my Laverna crossover. I paired that with our milled grain faux leather in black. You could do our black zipper tape in nickel or gunmetal. Those are the 2 coil colors and hardware finishes that I would recommend. Then we can do Text 45 or Text 70 thread in black to get this result here on my Laverna crossover. And if you want to go all in like I did on my Laverna, I used our seatbelt webbing in the color black with the handmade script. Our black Handmade Heartbeat's going to coordinate well with any black colored faux leather, faux suedes, or vinyls that you have. So as a reminder, this is our milled grain faux leather in black. This looks really good with our saddle soft in black. And I also like it with our Harrison suede in black. As for linings, I used our powder blue LinerTex Handmade Heartbeat inside of my Laverna. So I went all in, like I said, and did everything in handmade. The powder blue is a nice addition. It adds a little bit of saturation and color inside of your lining, and it's nice and bright so you can see down inside your bag. And here's a quick look at the nickel and the gunmetal hardware. Up next is our chocolate Handmade Heartbeat, paired up with our milled grain faux leather in chocolate. For hardware, I would recommend either a light gold, an antique brass, or even a rose gold here. The rose gold really kind of ties in the script lettering here. While this is a brown color, I do think that it complements it very nicely and makes the bag quite unique, pairing up a chocolate with a rose gold. Here is our chocolate zipper tape, and we have our chocolate Text 45 or Text 70 thread. I've got my bag over here on the left where I used a combination of fabrics that I'm going to page through in just a moment to share with you what I used. For my bag, I chose our heritage hide in the color coffee bean for my gusset and my strap. For one of the accents, I used our chestnut brown in the heritage hide. And for the last fabric, I went with our heritage hide in sandstone. For my lining, I chose our warm linen LinerTex in the Handmade Heartbeat. Here's our caramel in the Handmade Heartbeat, paired up with our milled grain faux leather and chocolate zipper tape, and Tex 45 or Tex 70 thread. I'd recommend sticking with light gold or antique brass here, as these are warm tones. If you are sewing against the caramel, then I'd recommend our caramel zipper tape, again in the light gold or the antique brass. And here is a look at the bag that Angie made with the caramel and the chocolate milled grain. Now let's look at the other coordinating exteriors that you can use with the caramel. So as a reminder, milled grain faux leather and chocolate, our heritage hide and coffee bean, and our milled grain in caramel with the caramel zipper tape. And if you feel so inclined to stick with the handmade theme, we now offer our handmade seatbelt webbing in the color chocolate. Let's brighten things up with our beige Handmade Heartbeat, paired up with our beige Savannah suede. We've got our Tex 45 or Tex 70 thread, as well as our zipper tape in beige. I'd recommend light gold here or antique brass hardware. Let's swap out the beige Savannah suede for a darker option. Here is our milled grain faux leather and chocolate. While the text here, it leans a little bit more gray rather than brown. These do look very nice together. And our heritage hide in coffee bean. Up next, we have a classic navy paired up with our milled grain faux leather and navy, Tex 45 or Tex 70 thread, as well as our zipper tape in navy. For hardware, we got nickel, light gold, or gunmetal. I think I'm leaning towards light gold or gunmetal as my top picks. For Sonia's Laura Jean that she made up, she used the light gold hardware with the milled grain in navy. It's also worth mentioning that we offer our seatbelt webbing with the handmade script in navy. For your lining, I'd recommend our Dusty Blue Handmade Heartbeat LinerTex, which Sonia used inside of her Laura Jean. And here's a closer look at that color. Now let's look at some other navies. So if you already have a navy faux leather, faux suede, or a vinyl that you want to use, you can probably use it with the Handmade Heartbeat in navy. It's pretty versatile. So this is the milled grain faux leather in navy. Here is our milled grain faux leather in Air Force Blue with the Air Force Blue zipper tape. Really like that combination as it complements the blue shade in the text. For thread, I would recommend our Tex 45 or Tex 70 thread in our steel blue, which I have right here. If you're looking for a matte finish, we've got our Savannah suede in navy or our Harrison suede in navy. Up next, we have one of my favorites, and this is probably going to be one of my next makes. This is our Peacock, paired up with our Peacock Harrison suede. This color match is to die for. I love it. I got this one just right. We can do nickel, light gold, or antique brass hardware here. I'm partial to the light gold, really like that one. Our Peacock zipper tape and our Peacock Tex 45 thread. We do not carry the Peacock in the Tex 70. For this one, I would highly recommend choosing our Sea Glass Mist to go with the Peacock vinyl. This combination is absolutely stunning together. And here we have a happy little accident that was unplanned. I happened to name the Lumi Croc Sea Glass, unbeknownst to me that I had also named the Handmade Heartbeat before it arrived in Sea Glass Mist. So they have almost the same name, and they also match so perfectly together. So if you already own the Lumi Croc and the Sea Glass, you got to get yourself the Sea Glass Mist LinerTex. And we recently stocked and got the coordinating vinyl to go with the Sea Glass, and this is our baby blue micro pebble faux leather. And you got to go with our light gold hardware here because it pulls out all those gold tones in the Lumi Croc. Here we have our wine Handmade Heartbeat paired up with our wine Harrison suede. And here is our Merlot zipper tape. Now you can go all different ways here, I think, with the hardware finish. So we've got the nickel, light gold, rose gold, gunmetal, and antique brass. But I'm still partial to light gold here. And here's a peek at the hardware lying on top of the wine Harrison suede. For thread, I would recommend our cranberry Tex 45 or Tex 70 thread. And for your lining, I'm loving our rose Handmade Heartbeat LinerTex. This makes such a stunning lining when you open up the bag, which I'm going to show you in just a minute on Doreen's bag. Here is Doreen's bag, and when she brought this to me, I opened up that lining and I was just blown away. It's such a pretty lining. You wouldn't think to put the Merlot with a rose color, but boy, does that pop and really brings a lot of life to the bag. Swapping out the wine Harrison suede for our Merlot distress grain faux leather. Love that combo as well. And here's a quick look at the Merlot zipper tape on top of the Merlot color. Our last colorway is our Rose Handmade Heartbeat paired up with our Savannah Suede in the color Graphite. I decided to do a contrasting fabric here, tying in the colors in the Handmade Heartbeat script with the coordinating fabric, because a lot of pink on the outside of a bag can be quite overpowering. So these two complement each other beautifully. We've got our gray text 45 or text 70 thread, and here you got to go either with nickel or gunmetal because we've got cool tones. If you want a bit more of a contrasting thread, then go with our text 45 or text 70 thread in black. Then I wanted to show you what the zipper tape in our black looks like alongside the Savannah Suede and Graphite. And this is a look at our gray zipper tape on top of the Graphite. Neither of those are a perfect match to the Graphite. Going to swap out the Graphite for our Savannah Suede in gray. And here's a look at the gray zipper tape alongside the Savannah Suede and Gray, which is the color that I matched up perfectly to go with this, in addition to the text 45 or text 70 in gray. I did not bring in any LinerTex options to coordinate with the Rose, but we do have several gray options that are going to be great for linings, such as our gray waterproof canvas. We have our LinerTex shimmers in the color Lavender Gray and our LinerTex shimmers in the color Charcoal. Let's finish up the show with our final three colorways in our LinerTex Handmade Heartbeat collection. These three colors do not have a specific Handmade Heartbeat vinyl that coordinates well with them, but I did want to give you some more colorway options. So if you wanted to make the exterior of your bag all in a solid color fabric, you can add that little bit of touch of handmade to your linings with these colors, or any of those colors that we have in our LinerTex collection. Here's our Heather Mist, which is a beautiful combination with our grape milled grain faux leather. We have our Sage Fog, and we have a nice neutral. This is our Ivory Boutique. We offer the handmade script seatbelt webbing in the color grape. And we also have a great match here that I just found, our Sage Fog LinerTex paired up with our seatbelt webbing in the color Mint. That concludes today's episode of Matchmaker Monday. I will put links in the description box below so you can start shopping everything featured in today's video. While we did make a big investment in this release, I do think it's going to go over really well. So if you found something that you love, I would recommend you snag it up and add it to your shopping cart right away. I want to thank our customers for supporting us over the last 4.5, almost 5 years. This has been an amazing ride. I love what I do, and I love seeing all of the bags that you create with my sewing patterns and my designs. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.
Found your perfect match. Now it's time to sew yours. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and watch another Matchmaker Monday.